evident in the anomaly's life early as he and targeted species were joined as one on June 17, 1978. After 25 years of lavish living and walking in darkness, subjects accepts his divine appointment.
Date management engagement, 1983. Anomaly gets saved and receives a divine appointment.
To the hip, hip hop, you don't stop the rockin' to the bang bang. Make it say up, jump,
Yo, Pop, what up, Los? Man, this some good weed. Where you get this from, man?
Man, Lo, you know I can't tell you my sources, man. But you can go in that kitchen and get you some of that Jack. That's gonna set you right.
That Jack Daniels?
That Jack Daniels. Make it happen, boy.
Hey,
Popcorn, I told her.
Girl, you better get your hand in my pocket, boy. Be so. It's gonna be so. It's gonna be so.
How long you know Popcorn?
Me and Popcorn go way back. We work on the railroad together when we actually go to work. You know, sometimes we had that night shift, but we be. I know Popcorn for the railroad. That's my.
Thank you, Nylene. What's wrong?
I'm just tired. We've been partying all week long. I'm ready for everybody to go home.
I gotta go home too?
Yeah, you too. Enough of this nonsense.
Hey, Popcorn!
I'm right here. When are all these jokers leaving?
Girl, how long they been married? You kidding, right? Honey.
Honey, most of these are your people from Memphis anyway. They been laying around my house all week, drinking all my beer, eating all my crabs.
Listen here, baby girl. Let me get them digits.
You can find them in the phone book.
Don't bother turn down Pitlow.
I really think it's time for them to go too. I'm ready. I'm party over.
Make it happen. Kick them out.
Hey, y'all got to get up out of here. It's time to go. Party over. Party over.
It's only been 6 days. Why we gotta go so early?
It's time to go. It's time to
You
go.
the most partying church girl I know. You know you gotta stay in the choir when we get back to Memphis, girl.
Okay, Mr. Junior Trustee.
Come on, I've been kidding out the establishment. This. Come on, y'all.
You know what? Let me go, because they whack. Should have married somebody from Jacksonville. Where we going next?
Look at some more of that Jack.
I can't keep doing this. Lord, you're giving me everything. You gave me a good wife. You gave me a good life. You gave me this brand new house, God. Look how I'm using it, man. Dang, you're doing it. Lord, I don't even know if you're real or not. If you are, I need you to come into my life and change me. I just can't keep living like this. Change me.
Upon experiencing a supernatural visitation from the celestial father of the universe, the rebirth anomaly begins a bold new journey into a known world of ministry.
Date Memory Engagement, Word of Faith Church, 1988. God is moving.